Hello, good afternoon, all of you. I'm Shekhar Sharma again with you for class 7th computer chapter 5 formulas and function in Excel. Excel does complex mathematical calculation very fast. A formula in Excel always begin with an equality sign. A formula in Excel can be a combination of one or more elements. These are constants, cell references or cell addresses, operators and functions. Now entering a formula in Excel, for that we have to enter some entries first, then we can use a formula as firstly equal sign, then cell names as A1 plus B1 plus C1 plus D1. All entries will be done in cell E1, and when we press enter key, the sum of the all cells entities will be present in E2. Now cell reference. Cell reference is also called cell address. When you create a formula, it usually refers to cell or cell range. A reference identifies a cell or a range of a cell in a worksheet and notifies Excel where to look for the values or data. There are three types of cell references: relative, absolute and mix. To switch between the types of references follows these steps. Select the cell that contain the formula. Then second step, on the formula bar select the cell reference, then press F4 key to toggle between the cell reference. In Excel, formulas are always displayed in uppercase. Even if you type a formula in lowercase, Excel automatically convert them in uppercase. Lowercase means all letters small, uppercase means all letter capital. Now functions. Functions are defined as built-in formulas that are used to perform calculation or to return information about your spreadsheet. These functions are organized in categories such as text, logical and math to help you to locate the function you need from the Excel menu. Name of two common functions are sum and average. Argument contain the information you want to calculate. They are always enclosed in parentheses. Formula function always begin with an equal sign followed by the function name, which is followed by the argument. Rules for writing a function. Number 1, a function should start with an equal sign followed by function name. A function name can be written in upper or lower case. Number 3, argument should be enclosed within parentheses. Number 4, no blank space should be given between the equal symbol, function name and argument. If there is more than one argument in the function, a comma should be used to separate the argument. There should not be any space in the formula. Remove space if a formula does not work. There are some functions: auto sum, average, max and min, count. Now some function from function library. Function library. Excel has a large function library that offers a wide variety of functions which are categorized by their functionalities. LCM is the function, GCD, today. These are some more functions and their descriptions and example you can study from there. Now function errors. When we perform a function and some errors are shown there, what is the mean or what is the reason of these errors? As hash is written, this error occur when a cell is not wide enough to show the value. Num, hashtag num, exclamation mark. This error occurs when an incorrect argument is specified in a formula. Hashtag ref and exclamation. This error occurs when a reference given to a cell does not exist. So you are to study these all. Some key terms from the chapter. Study them carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.